So this is what I'm thinking, right? Since price was already coming down, like it's shooting down, right? I'm thinking, so that's an impulse move, right? Let us catch a pullback to about right back here. I want some of the bulls, the green candles, to shoot this candle back up to about up in this area. Then when price get up there, I need to make a decision if I'm going to sell it back down. When it pulls back up to this level, is it going to keep going through? Or is it going to stop there and keep going down? That is what y'all don't know. Y'all don't know how to do that. When it, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could talk about it and all of that stuff, but it's like, it's harder when it's time to actually do it. I'm pulling out a Fibonacci tool. That helps me gauge where price is going to pull back. Remember where I just told y'all I wanted price to pull back here. Well, guess what, team? That aligns with the golden zone. What a coincidence. See, this is already at the golden zone down here. Let me see. Let's go back to the hour chart. So let's see if this stops here. Now look, if this busts through this golden zone, now this is the 4-hour golden zone. Let me organize this for y'all. You got to stay organized if you're going to be a trader. So if this red candle closes, we got 24 more minutes. If this red candle closes below this 4-hour golden zone, then I'm probably going to just take a sell there then. Like, wait for a retest, but I'm gonna probably take a sell there. If anything that I say is above your level of understanding, just ask it in the comments. All right, let's see if we can get halfway to TP. We get halfway to TP, we gonna lock that in. Yeah, but see, Nate, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Them 20 pips ain't guaranteed, bro. Them 20 pips ain't guaranteed. So what you gonna do when if it goes halfway to TP, you just gonna let that just like that, you just gonna let it sit there? No, if it goes halfway to TP, we're gonna lock in and move up stop loss. You're blessed if it keeps going to 2030. See, that's how we think. And then guess what? What if it don't go to 2030, but you was up 11 pips? You was up 11, 12, 13 pips. But it never was gonna go to 20 anyway. That's how you win when most people still lose. That's how you win in a losing trade. That boy go halfway to TP, you lock in them 10 pips, you move up that stop loss. If it keep going, you keep collecting. If it stop you out in profit, you go about your way. Come on, baby. Now look, now listen, team. Hold on, stop playing. All of this, nothing is guaranteed. I'm not the influencer. I'm not the social media guy that's going to tell you that everything is like, oh, this is just a cakewalk. This is just easy. This is nothing. We just do this every day and we don't lose, because I lose 20% of the time. I win 80% of the time. So I don't know when the 20% is going to come, the 20% of losses. I don't know when that's going to come. It could come today. It could come tomorrow. It could come in December. All I know is it's a numbers game. And my strategy wins 80% of the time. So I have to keep showing up because I know that 80% is going to be there. We might got to take a little bit of, take some of this profit. Okay, let's see how much we can get. But it might end up being a buy. Like, I know these are, I know this look like a wick and it's about to drop. But what I'm trying to say is this. Why is GJ? So is GJ the leader today, or is GJ lagging behind? See, we got to figure that out, team. Is GJ really telling us what UJ about to do? Because GJ look like we holding up strong and we about to take a buy. You feel me? It's 10 o'clock, y'all. Now look, everybody should be in some profit. Some people got in earlier. Some people got in right at that golden zone at the top. You should be in profit on UJ. All right? It's 10 o'clock, so you got to get your money. Unfortunately, I wish that we could have caught 50 pips, but we don't run this market. We got to take what we can get. And it's looking like it's stalling out. So if the sales are not going to happen, we are in position to take our money now and take a buy. Somebody said GJ going down so far is due to pull back. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, Isaiah. So I'm thinking let's take profit on UJ and let's start positioning for these buys. The only problem is, like Nate said, it's 10 o'clock though. That's the only thing I hate though. I hate that this is starting to happen at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the end of my day. It's time to go work on another business. Hey y'all, he said half the bag in. Let's go.
Who said that?
Let's go. My boy Jason. That's my boy. Heck yeah. He said half the bag locked in. Team Take Profits. We don't compete, we dominate. Bro, my body is tingling, bro. My body is tingling though. Bro, I took that trade juice. Woo! Hey, look. Hey, when I took that trade juice, did that market start moving when I took that trade juice? Did it start moving after I took that trade juice? Hey, Kenya, let's get these workouts in.
Go hard, or go home.
Let's go. Get that workout in while y'all make that money.
Or go home.
Make that money. Get your workout in when you make that money. This is the dollar index right here. We're on an hour chart, y'all. If y'all see the dollar dropping, then that means GU is going up. You might be able to scalp a buy on GBPUSD, but it's the time of the day though. That's the only problem. You might be able to do it, but that's going to be it, because I know it's going to slow down, y'all. We not finna just keep getting paid all day. At some point, we got to stop. We're not going to just keep killing the markets. It's just not going to happen. You're going to end up giving away 10 pips, 20 pips, whatever you made today. You're going to give it back to the market. That's not what team take profits do. I didn't say team give profits. Team lose profits. It's team take profits, and team manage profits, and team keep profits. Stop playing. We the money team. I'm not on here to just help us keep making money all day. I'm on here, and my job is on here to help us protect the profits that we did make. So if you guys need discipline, you guys are lacking, then you need to listen to me. You need to we need to talk about that. All right. Shout out to Zion. Zion in the chat. He took 20 pips on GJ today. And he said, I'm done for today. Yes. I used to have to disable my my MT4. Like it was so bad for me that I had to delete the app off my phone when I got done trading. Like I had to do that for like 2 weeks until I got I was like, all right, Jay, bro, snap out of it, bro. Why are you so greedy? Why are you so anxious, bro? Like another trade is not gonna make you rich. Zion, you just took 20 pips. If you try to go after 5 or 10 more pips, that's not gonna make you, even if you make another 20 pips, that's not gonna make you that much richer. It's not. What it is gonna do is potentially make you lose everything and more for the day. We're trying to build our family legacy. We're not trying to sabotage it by overtrading. Stop sabotaging your family because you think you about to make money. You think you about to grind. You think you about to grow this money. You think you about to just kill the markets. You think you about to suck all the pips out the market, but you really gonna sabotage your family. Your kids don't deserve your greediness in the market. Your wife or your husband don't deserve that. You being greedy. My wife told me, she said, it ain't in a rush to get to our goal. It ain't a rush to get to it. We gonna get to it when we get to it. Yo, woman tells you that? All the weight that's on your shoulders. You like, I gotta get these pips. I gotta pay these bills. I gotta keep the lights on. Hey kids, y'all taking too many showers. Yo, y'all only taking 3 showers this week. Y'all running up the water bill. It's $175. And then your wife be like, we good. I'm gonna get a part-time job and help you. And the weights get lighter. Hey baby, it ain't in a rush to get to your goal. We gonna get there when we get there. And the weights get lighter. And now you start getting stronger. Because you're getting rest days. Your mind and your emotions getting rest days in between it. Because you constantly just lifting. All of this weight on your shoulders. Every day you getting tired. You're not getting no rest. You're not getting no recovery. So you just get taxed and you just, in 5 years, you just looking tired. I'm looking younger and I'm getting older. They think my son is my brother. And I'm getting older and they think he my brother. Is it because you getting older? You get but look, I could be getting older right with them, but I'm getting younger. So all the weight just start falling off your shoulders. And now you can operate in greatness because all of the added tension, that pressure, that weight is removed up off you. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, share this video. This look, if people don't trade, be like, hey, yo, I know y'all don't trade, but he got a real good message in here. Y'all need to watch this video. If you thinking about trading, y'all need to lock in with Jay Wayne. If 2 of y'all in this whole chat can just share my video, I would appreciate it.